So the first thing we're going to look at is kind of doing some formatting. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Page Setup. There's a couple of things we're going to do here. Now, mine has already established this, but yours should look like this. And what I'm going to recommend that you do is you change all of these margins to 0.3. No, 3 won't work. 0.3. And then, in fact, I'm going to also tell you to change the color of your page. I'm also going to tell you to change the color of your page, and we're going to change ours to purple because it's fun. So we've just changed our margins to make the margins smaller, kind of allow us to have a little bit more space on our page. And then we've also changed the background color. Now this can be helpful for when, let's say you have a class of students and everyone's doing different activities on the computer. Everyone's supposed to be doing the same activity on the computer. Well, sometimes it's hard to distinguish what's happening on their screens, but if they're using a purple background, it actually makes it easier for you to be sure that everyone's on task. It's kind of a classroom management tool. Now, something else I think is really cool, and I'm going to change my font here because I'm me and I have to change the font. So if I type a question, and then sometimes we just like leave a blank space underneath it for the answer, but I would suggest inserting a table, a 1-by-1 table. When you do this, and then you can click on your little background color thing here, make it white. Well, now the kids know this is where you type your response, just to make it a little bit easier. Now, let's say you have a part 1, a part 2 type thing within questions. Another thing you can do is you go to Insert, Horizontal Line. That's another good way to divide up your pages. I'll get more into this a little bit later. And then, because of the way that the background is, it might be hard if you're trying to insert an image. Might be hard if you're trying to insert an image that has a white background, as a lot of images do. So one thing you can do is you go to Insert Image, you search the web. Let's say I look for owl clip art transparent. Keep on. Well, now that I've inserted this owl, because it's transparent, because it's see-through, I don't have to worry about it having a white, like the white edges that I'm going to have to contest with. So that's just something easy you can do. You just go to, when you type in what you're searching for, you're just searching for transparent. That's it for our kind of introduction.